if you have the problem of ad account disabled, we weren't able to process your payment. I'll show you how to solve it. There are about two major reasons why this problem happens. The number one is you don't have enough money in your debit card. That is the main reason. The second one is that your bank may be restricting your card from processing the payment. So for example, you actually have enough money in your debit card, but when you try to pay, it's not going through. There's a third reason, which sometimes may also be the case, and that one is you are trying to pay the exact amount you owe instead of paying to the nearest whole number. So let us see. So when you come here, when you try to pay and it's not going, you can come and then edit and then try to confirm, pay now, confirm and make $1 payment. If it goes through, you will know that actually you have missed, that there's no enough money. That's why the payment is not going. But I want to pay all of the amount that is being owed in this other account. So let me try and we see. So pay now. And I'm paying to the nearest whole number. Okay, so it's successful. So initially, if you try to pay, and let's say you were paying a smaller, you were trying to pay, you were owing something like, let's say $100 or $50, and it wasn't going through, you could just try paying like $1 or $2 or $5. If that goes through, then it means that you are not having enough money. So you can do the calculation, make sure you top up the money in your account, and then pay the rest. Because sometimes you may be owing in dollars, and the other account, the debit card currency is not in dollars, or it's in a different currency. And so if you don't factor in the currency conversion rate and the exchange rate and all that, you may use a rate that is not the actual rate. So at the end of the day, your bank is not using your rate, and so they calculate, and the money is less than what you owe. So if you pay part, it goes, do the calculation well, pay the rest. If you try and it's not going, as I said, remember to pay to the nearest whole number, because if you try to pay all at once, sometimes it may not go. Yeah, if you follow this, you'll be able to get your issue resolved. You can leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us if you have any problem. And then you can remember to leave your comments in the comment section as well. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye.